Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the brush caps from the motor. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the brush cap. The brush locks into the brush holder. To remove it, I'll hook a small screwdriver underneath it, pry up slightly, and then I can pull it away from the brush holder. Now I can install the new brush. I'll align the brush with the brush holder. The tabs on the side of the brush align with slots in the nylon plastic. I align it and push it into place. Then I'll reinstall the cap. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And now you can replace the brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.